Beaukey poetry canvas, the symphony of poetry illustrated and sounds. Little bird, a little bird, gently cuts through the distant sky. Before I knew it, at my feet on my shoulder. It flutters around. The fear that it might fly away is simply my love. With each flap of its wings, a wild wind blows again, and through the flickering lights, longing falls like rain, like snow. The firm grip of your claws chokes the sky with longing, and I cannot fly. When tears spill from the pit of my chest, you are already there, tickling my feet like a spring chick, my little bird that does not fly.